Hey there, it's Kim Denny with Inspired, and I am here to give you a few quick tips on completing your jack-o'-lantern project. So the jack-o'-lantern is pretty simple. This is what you will receive it looking like, just with the nails in the wood. And basically you're working in two big sections here, so super easy. So the first tip is to make sure that you watch the video that had the general instructions. And once you have that, super easy, two sections here. You're going to start off with the stem. So you can see I did mine in silver and teal. So go ahead and start off with the stem, tie on, do your basic outline, do your random, outline random, outline random until it's as full as you would like it. And then do that border technique, which is just looping around two nails twice and then going around the next two twice. So I refer to it as, if this was nail A and this was nail B, you're looping around A and B twice, and then you're going to loop around B and C twice, and then C and D twice, and just keep working your way around. Once you complete the stem, you're going to go ahead and do the face. The only thing that you have to worry about here is not crossing over the spaces of the mouth or the nose or the eyes. You want to leave those open if you want to be able to see that black wood. And same thing there. Just go ahead and do all of your basic outlines, which is just going around the edges with your string each time before you do the random. Then finish your border. I did mine in contrasting colors, so I used a different color for my border than I did for the randomness. And that's all it is. So once you get it all done, tie off your knots, put a little dot of super glue where each knot is, trim it as close as you can, and it's ready to hang. If you have any questions as you're completing your project, find me at Inspired on Facebook and shoot me a direct message. It's the best way to get in touch with me. If you love doing your project, make sure that you leave a review on Etsy and or Facebook, and also favorite and like those pages. And remember that you can get projects anytime, whether you want them just to do one at home by yourself, or if you want to set up a party to do them with others, feel free to reach out to me about that, and I'll get those done for you. I also do custom orders, so if you don't see something that you would like, let me know. And if you love the idea of this, but you aren't so happy with stringing it, I'm happy to string a project and send it completed your way as well. So thanks so much. I hope you have a bunch of fun. Bye-bye.